Okay, today I want to demonstrate a corded car vacuum cleaner. And this is like around $60 or less. And I'm gonna unbox it and show what it has. It has a hose. It's pretty light. Has a filter inside. It's 12 volt. It's like it has a case where you actually can store it. And it has another filter and a brush for the hose and a brush to clean some areas, and of course user manual, and the car freshener. It's actually worth about $30, or maybe a little more, so it's pretty nice. Let's test it. Okay, so I put this on here. You can use to clean like this, or you can disconnect this and put on a brush. So I plug this in here, and the vacuum is at the very back and still has some cord left, so it's pretty long. I have to start the vehicle in order to do this. Pretty quiet. Works nice. As you can see, the dirt collects right in here, and now I put on the hose to test. As you can see, I got some dirt inside the seat, so I will try to also put this on. I think it works better than the brush. You can get them all. It will just As you can see, I got some dirt inside here, and it's hard to take it out, so I think this will probably do the job. Let's try. some. I put this brush on right on that, and we're gonna try if this is gonna help. Nope, you cannot reach that. I guess that's why they included this kind of brush, so you can actually insert this and clean it inside there. Yep, that cleans. But I think I'm gonna still use a rug to clean that area inside there. So yeah, they included this kind of brush. Maybe you can clean a filter with this brush as well. So yeah, pretty handy. Okay, let's try it one more time with this brush here. Very nice. So yeah, this is the kind of vacuum I got, and I really like it. I'm not being sponsored on this video, but I would really recommend, if you're looking for some kind of vacuum, this would probably do the job. It's very nice, cleans good. So like and subscribe to the channel. We got some videos about mechanic issues that we solve. We also do trading and pocket bikes. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.